My name is Tim Berners-Lee. I invented the web 33 years ago, roughly. With the pandemic over the last couple of years, the web has been even more important in everybody's lives. I'm looking forward to joining everybody at the Tech Show London soon. The web might be 30 years old, but there are lots of things to discuss about it. There are issues with it that need addressing. There are opportunities also to make it more powerful. The web certainly is not finished. My company, Inventor, is building systems that respect people, allow them to control their own data, give them sovereignty in their digital life by making new open standard architectures that flip the world of privacy right side up. I'll be talking about all kinds of things, a bit about things that need to be fixed, but mainly about things I'm excited about for the future web, positive change, all kinds of things we can talk about at the show. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.